everyone, we're back here in Ayala, Alabang, and I'm really excited to show you this mansion at my back. The lot area of this mansion is 902 square meters and the floor area is 1,600 square meters. So imagine how big that is. And by the way, this mansion cost $500 million. I'd like to show you the facade of this mansion. So it's already landscaped. And on my right is our basement parking. The basement parking can fit up to 8 cars. No matter the size of your car is, it can fit up to 8 cars. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo how big this basement parking is. Nandyan din yung ating maids and drivers quarters and even the man cave. Tara, pasukin muna natin sa loob. Pagpasok natin, welcome ka kagad how elegant this house is. Sa left and right ko are your garden, beautifully landscaped na. And look on this side. Sobrang ganda. I want you to imagine yourself living in this mansion. And pagpasok natin, you have your huge main door. Solid wood. Look at how aesthetically pleasing door pa lang. And this house is a smart home. And welcome to this mansion. Tingnan mo naman, this is your living area. Very elegant, high ceiling. Kahit saan ka tumingin, maganda. Ang sarap mag-imagine na you're living in this house. Diba? Already comes with an AC. And look at your stairs. Sobrang ganda. May light pa sa railings. And I also appreciate this wall. Look at this marbled wall. Sobrang nagko-complement siya sa ganda nitong mansion na to. And on the first floor, meron din tayong room. This can be a guest room or a room for the elderly ones. Maganda kasi malaki yung door. Sobrang lawak nitong room na to. And the flooring ay solid wood. Okay? Meron na ring AC installed. You can put your smart TV over there. And some of your books here or any collections, pwede mo lagay dyan. And you have your walk-in closet na rin. And your toilet and bath. Senior friendly. Ang lawak ng galawan. Very elegant pa. Come on. Let's check out some more rooms on this floor. By the way, from the living area, may access din going to your lanai and the pool. Pero mamaya ko na yan papakita. Dito muna tayo. So, this room can be another bedroom or this can be a library or an office. Ang maganda pa dito sa room na to, you have this massive windows, view of the garden, and on this side is your access to the lanai and the swimming pool. Ganda, no? Tara. Before we go to the swimming pool, let's check out muna the dining area. Look at your dining area. In your dining table, it's a marbled table 10-seater dining table. Ang laki. And same wall, kagaya nung sa living area mo. It's a marbled wall. And you also have an access going to the pool area. Imagine, you and your family are eating dito. Tapos, yun yung view nyo. Your daily view. Diba? Sinong hindi gustong uuwi sa bahay na to? And this is gonna be your kitchen. This is your stove. May exhaust ka na. May installed kitchen cabinets. And this is your 2-door fridge. Very bago. Like this house, lahat ng gamit dito bago. And here's your sink. And additional nook. Diba? Pwede kayong kumain dito. Kulang pa yon for your food preparation. This can be an extension. Okay? At kita pa rin yung pool. Diba? Para while you're busy sa kitchen, kita mo pa rin yung kids mo nag-e-enjoy sa pool. Diba? Tara, punta. Wait. Before going to the pool, dito muna tayo. So, this is the auxiliary kitchen. Sobrang laki. And you have this huge exhaust and your Elba cooktop. Ang ganda-ganda. And this one is your pantry. You may install shelves and cabinets dyan. Dito tayo dumaan. Bago tayo pumunta sa pool area, this is the powder room. Sobrang elegant. Look at the wall. And this is the stairs going to the basement parking and to the man cave. And this is our lift. Mamaya, subukan nating gamitin to. So, we're off to the swimming pool area. And now, this is your super big lanai. If I were you, I'd put more couches, tables, chairs. If you want to eat out, ayaw mo dun sa loob, sa dining area mo, lipat tayo dito para mas mag-enjoy tayo sa pool area. Sobrang laki. Yung pagbaba mo dito, you may go straight, jump sa pool mo. Ang ganda ng view. And on that side is your beautiful landscape garden. I really love this mansion. Homey yung feels niya. Come on. Punta muna tayo sa basement. Bago natin i-check out yung mga rooms sa 2nd and 3rd floor. Pero mamaya na tayo mag-lift. Gamitin muna natin tong stairs. So, sobrang laki ng mansion. Do you still imagine ba yung layout ng bahay? So, we're here at the basement parking. See how massive this is? Actually, hanggang 10 nga kaya dito eh. Pero gusto mong maluwag yung parking mo, hanggang 8. Okay? Yung daan na yon is going to the swimming pool area. And this is the maids and drivers' quarters. And this one, storage for your car needs, for your car stuff. Okay? And let's proceed to this man cave. Buksan ko muna yung ilaw. And this is gonna be one of your favorite areas in this mansion. So this is the man cave. Pwede ka mag-set up dito ng madaming couches together with your friends. Diba? Enjoy mo lang tong bahay nyo. And this is where you are going to put your big smart TV and more of your collections. And this is going to be your wine storage. Meron na ring toilet and bath dito sa room na to. And more storage. Siguro maglalagay pa ako ng bar pa dito para mas masaya. No? And now, let's use the lift. This lift is imported pa from Sweden. Ito tayo sa second floor. Itong lift na to kaya ang 5 people inside. So, we're now on the second floor. And ang bubungad sa atin kagad is another storage room. So, this is going to be your balcony. Kita mo yung visitors mo, kita mo yung living area mo. And let's check out the master bedroom. Sobrang ganda. So, meron ka pa ditong receiving area. Pwede kang dyan magbasa-basa ng libro kung ayaw mo naman na nakahiga. So, dito naman yung smart TV mo. And more of your pictures, your collections. And another tambayan. And there's your king-size bed. So, ang ganda, no? Panoramic windows. Kita mo lahat ng neighbor. Sobrang ganda ng bahay na to. Panoramic. And this is going to be your toilet and bath. Look at your bathtub, your enclosed shower, your double sink. Double sink, di kayo mag-aaway ng partner mo kung sino una magtutoothbrush. And this is your walk-in closet. Sobrang laki. Napakadami mong storage for your shoes, clothes, accessories, name it, kompleto. And this is gonna be your vanity mirror. Perfect. Tara. Tara. Check pa tayo ng ibang rooms. And by the way, this is a balcony. And that one is also a balcony. So, ang view mo doon ay pool. Isang malaking balcony siya. And I also love this room. Kasi tingnan mo naman tong room na to. Ang laki na niya, tapos loft type pa siya. And by the way, pwede ka maglagay ng bed mo dito or this is gonna be study area mo or office mo or baliktad naman, dun yung study area mo, dun yung office mo, dito yung bed or dun yung bed. So bahala ka na. Pero mamaya na natin tignan ano meron doon sa taas kasi yung taas na yan may access sa third floor. So doon na natin tignan. And this bedroom also comes with a walk-in closet and a toilet and bath. Napakaganda nito mansion ito. Homey talaga yung feels. And this is an additional storage area, no? Ayan. Check out muna natin ito muna pala. Dito muna tayong room. So this is another bedroom. Ang bubungad sa'yo is the walk-in closet and the toilet and bath. So, ang bawat room dito may distinction, no? Hindi talaga sila pare-parehas. Ang ganda nila lahat, walang talo. Sobrang huge. Lahat ng room malaki, maganda yung pagkaka-design. And this one also has a panoramic windows since it's a corner bedroom. Come on. Let's check out the final room on this floor. Okay? Banggit ko kanina, kanya-kanyang attitude yung bedrooms. So ito yung kanyang walk-in closet and the toilet and bath. At ang maganda dito sa room na to, bukod sa very spacious, yung kanyang view. Because the view is the pool area. Oh, imagine waking up to that view kada umaga. Baka hindi ka na maggala. So let's proceed to the third floor. How about we use the stairs? Nandun yung lift, pero we feel like using the stairs this time. Ooh. Sobrang ganda dito sa third floor. This can be your gym or theater room. And dito sa third floor, merong mini kitchen. So pag merong ganap ka nga naman dito sa third floor, may ganap ka dyan sa balcony. So pwedeng yan yung service area natin. And kanina, remember the room on the second floor na loft type? Ito yung taas niya. Okay. And this is another bedroom on this floor. This can be a bedroom or another office or pwedeng ito lang yung gym mo kung di naman ganun kadami yung gamit mo. Maganda doon, this room has a balcony. And let's check out another room. Same layout, nung kabila, wala lang balcony. And the common toilet and bath. Gustong-gusto ko to kasi meron ka pang sauna. And then enclosed shower. Sobrang ganda. Siyempre, each floor dapat may storage room. So, ito yung storage room for this floor. And we're off to the balcony. Sobrang laki nitong balcony na to. If you're going to host a big party, pwedeng-pwede natin dito sila yayain. Sobrang laki, oh. Imagine mo ba pwede ka nga dito mag-sunset sessions, maglagay ka dito ng DJ, tapos may maglagay ka rin ng bar, may buffet area, lagay ka more couches, tables. Nai-imagine ko yung itsura niya. Sobrang ganda. And I hope you have enjoyed this mansion tour kasi ako nag-enjoy talaga ako, no? Very homey talaga yung feels pagpasok pa lang namin. And if you really like this property, don't hesitate to call us or send us a message sa Viber or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on our social media accounts to keep you updated with our latest listings. And if you have any other properties in mind, dito sa Ayala Alabang, we have a lot of mansion listings dito sa village na to. And kung hindi man dito, other villages, marami din kami. So don't hesitate to call us, inquire, just tell us your preferences. We are going to help you. And again, this is Riza from I2 Prime Realty. I hope you have enjoyed this tour. Thank you for watching and see you on our next tour. Goodbye.